All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Today was a little bit better than yesterday. We had a very solid, like 4% move on Tesla. That I am still in there. So we do have Tesla at very nice move at the open, and I'm also short Tesla puts at 240, which is up very small contracts on that. So let's see what we did today. Tesla at the open, like today at the open, there was a news came up at 7 o'clock that Tesla ran up, it went green. But at the open, just before the open, 3 minutes before the three, it sold off and went red. At the open, it, opened the strong, rejected the VWAP and came down. And I said to myself, okay, that could be a good, opening range breakdown, because we were very weak in the pre-market and, they had a downgrade recently. So I went short here at 249, went down a little bit and suddenly squeezes up and it stopped me out. And that's okay. Still, it's very painful. That was a very painful loss. But still, I don't really kill myself. How much did I lose that? Yeah, it was a very, very bad loss on it. But still, it was okay because I think it was a reasonable trade. Squeezed up, and then it came back up, and I said, okay, I'm going to go long because this is going to be probably a squeeze up. So I went long here. We tested the VWAP a couple of times. It was almost ready to get stopped out, came back up. So it really never lost the VWAP. I added more at 251, and then we really did a very nice breakout as, essentially it would be a 5-minute opening range breakup, I think, huh? Yeah, kind of a very nice 5-minute opening range break up, and then went up all the way up to 257, pulled back, did a very nice 920 trade book. It's a strategy that we've developed in our community. So very nice 920 trade here, and then for the break of 255, I saw a huge ask showing up, and I added more at 255, and then all the way up to 260. So it's a very, very nice, amazing move that we had on that. So overall, so what we did here was obviously a loss on the short and the long on the Tesla. We made money on that. Amazon and Nvidia was two more trades that I did. Let's look at Amazon that we did. Amazon hit the scanner at trading terminal. I looked at it and I saw that very, very solid move, very strong move in the first minute, and then second minute was a very nice consolidation, and then I realized that it could be a very nice 5-minute opening range break. 1-minute opening range break up. I went long, seeing a very big ask around 130. So long and popped up, and I sold around here. It came down at 130. I got stopped out. So that was a very nice trade, solid trade on that. The last one was Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia was opened up very strong. It was red. It was down like 4%, but opened up very strong. I made a mistake. I really shouldn't have gone long here. I went on like 1,000 shares here, long, and it did drop, and I got stopped out. I didn't see it properly. It was way too extended from the VWAP. Plus, it was down 4% in that time. I really shouldn't have gone that. So that was a completely wrong trade. I did bounce back. Obviously, very regretful. And then really rallied the whole day, just continued going higher, and now it's going to go green, so almost 4% move. It's amazing. Anyways, so that was the trading day for me. I covered my Tesla puts at 270 for $1,500 profit. I'm glad I did because it just rallied all day. And in terms of trading, I'm still short Nvidia calls at 450. And hopefully they're not gonna. My average is 150. Hopefully they're not gonna come out. And I also shorted Tesla puts at 240. So hopefully if by Friday they're gonna stay above 240, we're gonna collect all these $700. Perfect. So that's my trading day, guys. Hope everybody had a good day. Brian, I know you traded Amazon with me at the open.
Yeah.
What else did you trade?
Amazon, really nice. I did some of the similar trades that you did. I did some SPY calls, and on this breakout up to PDC, And yeah, I'm short the Tesla, the same Tesla puts that you're short, the 240s in a week, and I also shorted some Nvidia puts at 400. So
400. That's
I'm
pretty good.
short. Yeah,
How much
yeah.
did you collect? That's not a
So
bad
it looks.
idea, actually.
Um, I collected on those 225 roughly.
400. That's actually not a
Yeah,
bad idea at all.
yeah, and they're trading at 90 cents right now, so 97 cents gone up a bit. So I'm thinking about maybe cover. I might just hold on to them,
Yeah,
or maybe sell half and just see how the rest of the day goes.
95 cents.
But the
Actually, not a
cues look
bad
solid.
idea at
Yeah.
all.
Well, yeah,
All right, so that's I'm actually
yeah.
tempted
I
to,
sold them.
yeah.
Yeah, I sold them early in the day, so I got a nice premium for them. So yeah, but they're still pretty good at $1, and it sure seems like they're trying to hold 400,
Yeah,
trying
very
to keep
nice.
it above 400. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, overall was a pretty good day.
Awesome. Thanks, guys, and have a
Thank you,
good day.
Scott.
Ciao.